Hi everybody, Jeff Nielsen at Nielsen Enterprises. Today I just want to go through few basic need-to-know keys and controls for your SeaDoo personal watercraft. So what we have here is a brand new 2021 SeaDoo RXTX 300. Okay, I'm going to start with your safety tether or lanyard. The safety tether that comes from SeaDoo, you get one key with the unit, and then you can also purchase a learning key. But let's stay focused on this one. This is your full power key. You can get up to 8 keys programmed for your SeaDoo personal watercraft. These keys are digitally encoded. So this digital encoding takes and not only recognizes, it tells the watercraft that this is your key. I just can't walk up with some SeaDoo key, plug in and drive your PWC. So that's a nice feature. So it gives you control over who's using your personal watercraft. Secondly, this tether should be attached to you at all times when you're on your personal watercraft. Most life jackets have a D-ring that's on them, but you can also buy a wrist piece that you can clip it to if you don't like to do that. But you always want to make sure if you're riding or you're moving, the tether is attached to your body at all times. That's really important. The tether takes and plugs into here. So it plugs in right over this little ball, and then there's a radio frequency that comes through here that recognizes the key while it's attached to you. The other nice thing that I like that this unit has an integrated start-stop button. The same button starts it, and the same button stops it. So I always tell everybody, you always go to the same place to start it and the same place to stop it. The other thing you can always do, when in doubt, you just take and pull the tether. It automatically kills the unit if you're uncomfortable with anything or anything that you feel is going wrong at any point in time. Now, when your unit's running and you're actually using the unit itself, this unit is equipped with IBR. So IBR originally started out as being called the Intelligent Braking System, and then they had ITC, which was Intelligent Throttle Control. But really the system is the same thing. At low speeds, turn the handlebars for you. At low speeds, the unit automatically starts in neutral every time. If you want to take and go in reverse, you will grab the left lever, hold the left lever, and you'll accelerate, give it a little bit of acceleration, and the unit will back up. As soon as you release the left lever, it goes back to neutral. If you want to move forward through a no wake zone, you can tap the front lever and it shifts it into forward. Okay? If you want to go back to neutral, you tap and pull the left lever and release. And again, if you want reverse, you'll hold the left lever. All right? Now, if I were to take, and if I was in forward, so now I'm in neutral, and I go to forward, and I shut the personal watercraft off, when I go to restart the watercraft, it'll automatically start in neutral. Now this lever that we're calling the reverse lever for right now also turns into your brake lever if you go over 9 miles an hour. So over 9 miles an hour, you're moving along at 40 miles an hour, let's say, and all of a sudden you're uncomfortable with the situation and you want to apply the brakes. You release the throttle, hold this lever right here. It drops the reverse bucket down and accelerates water against the reverse bucket to help the speed reduce faster versus just coasting off plane. So remember, that's over 9 miles an hour. Under 9 miles an hour, it acts as your reverse lever. In addition to the safety lanyard that comes with the unit, SeaDoo does sell an accessory, and they sell a learning key. The learning key is an actual very nice feature that they have, but they sell them separately and you have to program it. The learning key is color-coded differently, and it actually says learning key right on the floating device so the key doesn't sink. Now, you can program this learning key with this full power key in the gauge itself. And let me see if I can show you how to do that real fast. So you'll plug this in right here. We'll wake up the watercraft right now. And you'll have to scroll through. I just got to wait for it for a second. It wants. So you go into settings, and then you'll scroll through, and like right now, so you'll start out, that was on learning key 4, but you go learning key 1, learning key 2, 3, 4, and 5. 1 is the tamest out of all the learning keys. So what that does is it reduces acceleration and reduces speed. As the rider gets more comfortable, you can take them off of learning key 1, go to learning key 2, learning key 3, 4, and 5. Now, you've programmed it with the original key, the full power key, and then from there, when they come along to use the learning key, only they can't change that setting. So if it's on learning key 1, 2, or 3, or 5, they can't change it. You need this key to do it. I hope some of these features helped you out. Check us out for more videos while we run through your SeaDoo personal watercraft.